Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Honda CRV front bumper. First, gather your essential tools, including a 10mm socket, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a plastic trim removal tool. Make sure your workspace is clear and well lit for safety. You will also need a new bumper cover and any necessary clips or hardware. This preparation ensures a smooth and efficient replacement process, saving you time and effort later on. Now, let's move on to detaching the old front bumper. Begin by removing the several screws and plastic clips located along the top, bottom, and wheel wells. Use your trim removal tool to carefully pry out the plastic fasteners without damaging them. Once all fasteners are removed, gently pull the bumper cover away from the vehicle, starting from the sides. Be mindful of any remaining electrical connections for fog lights or sensors. With the old bumper removed, it's time to install your new one. Carefully align the new bumper cover with the mounting brackets and clips on your CRV. Start by securing the top edge and the sides, ensuring all tabs click into place. Reconnect any electrical components, such as fog lights, before fully securing the bumper. Then, reinsert all the screws and plastic clips you removed earlier, making sure each one is tight and secure for a proper fit. For the final step, perform a thorough inspection of your newly installed front bumper. Double-check every screw and clip to ensure everything is securely fastened and there are no loose areas. Test your fog lights and any parking sensors to confirm they are working correctly. Finally, give the new bumper a good wipe down to remove any fingerprints or smudges. This ensures a professional look and confirms your successful bumper replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.